Rex Hutchison Racing Engines is located in Sacramento, California. They have been in business for more than 40 years, providing proven racing engines and engine design for all disciplines of racing: drag, sprint cars, road racing, and marine. They build horsepower for the street to nitro top fuel dragsters. All work is done in-house, providing the customer with a complete dyno-tuned, turnkey, winning motor.
Well, hello, race fans. My name is Glenn Hutchison. I'm the son of Rex Hutchison, the famous boat driver and engine builder. Anyway, my father started this business in 1972. They started, actually, him and Bob Eric started the business in the garage in the 60s. Typical hot rodders, you know, working all night on their hot rods and trying to make a living during the day, and then they decided, why don't we just open our own racing engine shop? So here we are, and so it's a good business. That's all I've known. Started here right out of high school, and I've raced motorcycles and drag boats and dragsters and sprint cars, and yeah, it's been a good adventure for me, really good adventure. And so right now I haven't been driving anything and just taking care of business. And I got 9 employees, and got a complete machine shop. We got a parts store. We even have an engine dynamometer, and we do a lot of testing out in the field. So cut that right there. What? Oh, I won't forget you. Don't worry. Okay, you'll get full credit. That's silly. This is Mojo. He's a shop cat. Yep, I know. I won't forget a few things, Mojo. Okay. Anyway, we do all kinds of stuff here. We do circle track engines. We do drag racing engines, endurance, offshore boats, supercharged, normally aspirated, V8s, 4 cylinders. Really enjoy the circle track stuff because that's endurance. It makes it tough when you build a motor that makes a lot of horsepower and last, right? So it's neat because we take the drag race technology for the horsepower, we put it in the circle track industry, and then we take the endurance of the circle track stuff and we put it in our drag racing applications, and it blends to be a nice deal for us. So yeah, like I say, I'm really fortunate, second generation, and now my son Dylan, third generation. He's been racing quite a bit over the years, and now he's here in the office, and he's really helped a lot as far as the business side goes. The younger generation, they seem to understand the business sense of how things are done nowadays with the computers and the internet.
Alright, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to Sacramento Raceway for our 72.
Huh? There's
Yep.